Page number 439, ready, start. Civil Procedure Code 1908 within bracket 5 of 1908 Order 21 Rule 97 Execution Framing of issue is not always necessary. Stop. Application of the objector and his documents means adjudication. Stop. Decree obtained by fraud cannot come in the way of execution of the other decree. Stop. Rather, objector can be summarily thrown out at any stage of litigation. Stop. Para. Fraud judgment and decree obtained by playing fraud upon court. Stop. Is a nullity and no rest in the eye of law. Stop. Para. Transfer of property 1882 within bracket 4 of 1882 section 52 cannot be held to be bona fide purchaser for valuable consideration. Stop. Their objections are liable to be dismissed summarily. Stop. There is no question that they had purchased the suit property without notice for valuable consideration because pendency of the suit is notice to all of them. Stop. Para. This revision petition is directed by the objector Meenakshi Saini and Rajiv Saini against Gurcharan Singh and others decree holders against the order dated 19 October 2001 passed by the additional district judge Ludhiana, whereby their appeal was dismissed, and the order dated 2 May 2001 passed by the civil judge within bracket junior division Ludhiana, wide which their objections were dismissed was upheld. Stop. Para. Briefly stated, the facts are that in suit Gurcharan Singh and others versus Gurbaksh Singh and another, a preliminary decree was passed by the subordinate judge first class Ludhiana on 29 August 1980, and it was declared that the property in dispute was jointly owned and possession of the parties thereto to the extent of 1/8 share each. Stop. An appeal preferred against the said judgment and decree dated 29 August 1980 was dismissed by the additional district judge Ludhiana on 7 April 1983. Stop. On 29 November 1994, a final decree was passed. Stop. In order to secure possession in terms of that final decree, an execution application was filed on 9 March 1996. Stop. Warrants of possession were issued by the executing court which were resisted. Stop. Gurcharan Singh etc. decree holders moved an application to the executing court for execution of the warrants of possession with the police help. Stop. At that stage, Shrimati Meenakshi Saini and her son Rajiv Saini filed objections to the issuance of the warrants of possession. Stop. Para. The objectors stated that Shrimati Pushpa Singh was the owner in possession of the property in dispute, who appointed Karnail Singh as her attorney to manage and sell the disputed property. Wide registered deed dated 22 January 1990. Stop.